Imagine getting in your car, turning the key, and boom, your infotainment system is up even in your car. No waiting, no lag, just instant start with the Woodman Hercules. It also has seamless connectivity. You can control it with your steering controls here. Let me just turn on the car. And the best part? See, it's very, and the best part, it connects seamlessly with your car's steering control. You can seamlessly adjust the volume here, or you can change the tracks or do anything using the steering controls from the Woodman Hercules. Whether your car has 4, 6 or even 8 speakers, the Hercules delivers crystal clear sound through every one of them using the DSP sound chip that is present in the Woodman Hercules. Now let me show you what it does. So the DSP sound chip is basically a sound wedge that has been planted into the Woodman Hercules, and it helps in providing you crystal clear audio through, and also it provides surround sound, and also it provides surround sound experience. Now you can see it has the equalizer presets over here. You can change it to any kind of preset, change the bass, adjust the treble. You can do whatever you feel like. You can change the sound from the sound front, rear, back, or you can even change the loudspeaker settings. So suppose it's in the center, right? If you are sitting in the car here, you can directly change it to here, and the surround sound experience will be available on your driver's seat. The display quality is stunning. It has vibrant colors, it has great brightness and stays clear even under direct sunlight. Plus, the touch is super smooth and lag-free and responsive, making navigation effortless. When it comes into the fitting part, the Woodman Hercules is designed to match the car's original layout perfectly. You can see there are literally no gaps at all. You can literally see that there is no gaps, no misalignment, just a luxury finish that looks exactly like a company fitted system. Now let me just go to the Android Auto here. You can see how fast this is, and you can even scroll the maps here or change the audio from here. You can call someone if you want. You can pretty much do anything, right? So for those who loves using their phones on the go, the stereo comes with licensed Apple Carplay and Android Auto, and it works wirelessly. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, you can connect seamlessly and access maps, music, WhatsApp calls, and more, all on the big screen. Let me just give you a quick demo here. You can adjust the map from here. If you want to listen to some songs, you can directly search any songs from here, and you can even use the split screen over here. And yes, it also supports voice commands, so you can control everything hands-free for a safer driving experience. Let me just show you how the voice commands work. Hi, can you take me to Kormangla?
Navigating to Coromandala.
See how
Next time you can also press and hold the mic button on your steering wheel to ask me anything.
that's even a great thing. Hands-free navigation wherever you want. Now let's just talk about the performance. The Hercules also comes with an Octa-core Processor, which means zero lag and smooth multitasking. I will show you here. Just give me a minute. You can run into multiple apps at once, use maps while playing music, switch apps effortlessly, no slowdowns. It also has sound quality and enhanced audio experience for your seamlessly driving. So that's everything for the Woodman Android Stereo. It got instant start, seamless connectivity, and premium display. It also has smooth performance and top-notch sound quality, all while maintaining a perfect factory fit. If you're looking for a stereo upgrade that feels premium, performs like a beast, and this is the one to go for. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will get back to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next one.